Hey y'all, Southern Cruisers here. It's Thanksgiving, and on Thanksgiving we cook turkey. Last year we made a spatchcock whole turkey. This year we are cooking smoked turkey breasts on the Rec Tech. Tune in and see how we do it. Okay, it is the day before Thanksgiving and we are making a couple of turkey breasts. And right now I'm making the brine that we're going to brine the turkey breasts in. We're going with some thyme. We've already got salt in there, but I want to add a little bit more salt. Now, just so you know, we're using kosher salt, and you can use any kind of salt you want, but probably don't use iodized salt. It'll kind of change the flavor, maybe not be so good for your turkey. Now I made dressing, cornbread dressing earlier. Actually, that's it right there. And so I've got some cut up celery and onion that I'm gonna dump off in there. I'll get the rest of that in a minute. Also going to add some sage from the dressing that I made earlier. See if we can get a little better view of that. We're gonna want plenty of garlic. Adds a lot of flavor to our brine. Oh, look at that. That's gonna be good. We got salt. We got brown sugar. Ooh-wee! We're gonna stir that up. And in a moment, we'll brine the turkeys after we let this heat up and then cool off some. Turkey breasts, I should say. And we'll be back. All right, these are what our turkey breasts look like in the brine bags. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge, let them sit overnight, and then tomorrow we'll get them out and put them on the smoker. Good morning, y'all. So it's Thanksgiving morning, and these are our turkey breasts after they came out of the brine. And I've blotted them with a paper towel, you know, trying to dry them off a little bit. Still got some little pieces of thyme stuck to them, which I think is great. Gonna have my morning coffee here. We're gonna get these ready and put them on the pit. All right, so we are going to start off by spraying them with a little bit of Pam spray. And today we're using Dirty South Barbecue Hot Mama's Rub. I've found this to be a pretty good one. Gonna get them fully covered. Oh, got this little nugget here that fell off of one of them. I'm gonna cook it too. We'll see how it turns out. Probably need to take it off quicker. Also gonna put some more coarse salt on there. I think I'm gonna put that on at the end. I'll go ahead and flip them. Oh, let me do it this way. My trusty camera helpers have already went over to Grandma's house, so I don't have them to help me today. It's okay, I'll just clean off my stuff after I finish. I'll have to have a dirty hand. Let's see. I'm going to put some more Dirty Mama barbecue on there. Hot Mama's Rub. I'm getting it wrong. Dirty South and Hot Mama's Rub. Get it right, Keith. A little coarse salt on there too. That'll kind of, in the cook, that'll kind of cake on there. All right. We're gonna want to get this, covered a little bit better. This is our top side. Gonna go on the cooker here in a little bit at 270. Gonna get some smoke on these before we put them in the foil. There we go. All right, so this is what we got right now. And fixing to put them in the cooker in just a second. Okay, we got them on the cooker now. I'm gonna cook the turkey breast on the Rec Tech RT700. I actually do have other cookers. I need to do a video using something else just so people might actually believe that. We are cooking at 270 and This is the way I put them in. I put the fat turkey breast nearest the right side because that side's a little bit hotter. Put the flatter one down here along with a little nugget because that side's a little cooler. We're gonna cook them until they get, we're gonna try to get about an hour on them, and then we're gonna wrap them, and then we're gonna try to get them up to 160. I'll show y'all how that goes. Okay, I pulled the breast off after an hour. They are not done, but we are about to wrap them. This is what they look like. They got a little bit of char on the outside. You can feel it a little bit. They are between 125 and 130 internal temp. Gonna wrap them and put them back on. Okay, so this is the thinner turkey breast. And I had it on the cooler side of the smoker, so it was actually at 125. Now I'm putting a half a stick of butter in the foil with it. Also gonna go with some chicken broth. So we're gonna add some little bit of chicken broth in the foil along with that butter. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've got the turkey breast upside down. This side is the one that was down on the grill earlier. Now we're gonna wrap it up, put them back on there, and cook them till they get to an internal temp of 160. All right, so this is the final product. We're gonna do a little taste test of the turkey breast. We got Bev and Bob here. Y'all try a little bit and see what you think.
Sumptuous.
What does Bev think? How did it turn out?
Oh my God. Fabulous. It's moist. It melts in your mouth. It's fabulous.
All right, I think it's a winner. All right, we got thumbs
God,
up.
That tastes good. It's really good.
All right, we're fixing to enjoy our family Thanksgiving dinner. But if you haven't already, go ahead and follow Southern Cruisers. Right, Kaylee?
Yep.
Go ahead and follow Southern Cruisers and like this video. And y'all have a great Thanksgiving, and see y'all later. Bye.